In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Preflight tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to fix PDF UA issues. If you've ever encountered accessibility problems in a PDF, the Preflight tool in Acrobat Pro DC is your go-to for diagnosing and correcting them. PDF by UA is the accessibility standard that helps ensure documents can be properly read by assistive technologies. The process we'll follow focuses on repairing common tagging and metadata issues, so your file moves closer to compliance. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure you are in the Pro version, since the Preflight features we need live there. With your document open, head to the Tools view and choose Print Production. If you are not seeing it right away, use the search field in Tools to quickly locate Print Production. Inside that workspace, click Preflight to open the main dialog. This is the dashboard where Acrobat stores checks and fixes for standards like PDF by X, PDF by A, and importantly for us, PDF by UA. Once the Preflight dialog is open, switch to the Profiles tab. Profiles are curated sets of checks and fixes. To focus on accessibility, either expand the PDF by UA section in the list or use the search box and type UA to filter the available profiles. This helps you zero in on the tools designed for universal accessibility. You'll see options like Fix in PDF tagging structure and Set PDF by UA1 entry. Fix in PDF tagging structure attempts to repair common structural tagging issues, so content is better organized for assistive tech. PDF by UA1 entry updates the document's compliance flag, indicating the file targets the PDF by UA1 standard. If you need to repair structure, choose the Fix option. If your tagging is already in good shape and you only need to declare the standard, select the entry option. Pick the one that aligns with your file's needs. At the bottom of the dialog, click Analyze and Fix. Acrobat will scan your document and apply the selected corrections. You'll typically see a brief progress indicator while it works. Depending on the complexity of the PDF, this may take a moment, but it's usually quick. When the process is complete, save the file to apply the corrections. Saving locks in the changes, ensuring that the repaired tagging or updated PDF by UA entry is preserved the next time the document is opened. It's a good practice to save a copy so you can retain your original alongside the fixed version. That's it. Thanks for watching.